So I had some babies born last night, and of course it was like, freezing cold, coldest day of the year so far. And I went out early this morning to check on them, and they had fallen out of the stall and hadn't been fed and was almost frozen and dead. So I brought them in the house, and we had been giving them some colostrum and syringe feeding them. And finally, the little boy, he just wasn't doing good. That's the little white and brown one you see down there. So I went and drug Mom up to and in my house. So she's chilling in the laundry room with the twins. She was happy to see them. She bad at them, and she licked them both. So I just held her and made her nurse them. Look how cute they are, though. And that is where we're at. She's going to spend the night in the house tonight, too. Laundry room's the safest bet because, well, it's moppable.
And the dog's on, and the cat and the dog is on the other side.
Yeah, we put a big old gate up so she can't get over it. Nothing can get into her. But if they're strong enough in the day, maybe sometime tomorrow, because it's going to be like 0 tonight. I don't want to get over this hurdle and then have them freeze. That'll just make me super sad. But the little white one's the little buck, and the little brown one's the little doe. Yep, little girl. And, I mean, they're doing real good. They couldn't even stand at first.
But Anna can walk.
Yeah, they're standing and walking now. I helped them to get on a nurse, so hopefully this works and they don't have to be bottle babies. I mean, ain't that nobody don't love no bottle babies, but they're a lot of work and it's a lot of stress on making sure that they don't have to deal with scours and all that horrible stuff.
And it's a lot of noises.
And it's a lot of noises, yeah. So anyhow, that's where we are. We'll update on them as we go along. Hopefully, we're on the right track now, even though I have a full-grown goat in my laundry room. I'm sure many of you have done this.